Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to dispute a bet on Fanduel Sportsbook. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Disputing a bet on Fanduel Sportsbook is a straightforward process if you believe that there was an error with your bet or the outcome. So what you need to do first is gather the relevant information before contacting Fanduel. Ensure you have all the necessary details about the disputed bet, like bet ID, date and time, event details, issued, description as well. And then once you have done with that, check the bet rules as well. Review Fanduel's house rules for the specific sports or bet type, example money line, spread, parlay, situations that might be void or alter a bet, example event postponements, player injuries. Compare the rules to your situation to ensure the dispute is valid. Number third is to contact Fanduel customer support. So what you need to do is head over to your browser and then on the search bar type in Fanduel support and then tap on the first link or contact us option by Fanduel. Now once you're inside here, choose a contact method like live chat, email or phone, and then clearly explain your issue and provide supporting details like bet ID, screenshots and etc. Be patient and professional. The review process may take time as Fanduel investigates the issue. Stay polite and professional if you're in your communication to ensure smoother resolution. Monitor your account for updates, like Fanduel will notify you of the resolution via email or in-app notifications. Check your account balance or bet history to confirm if the issue was resolved. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.